So our project overall is we're making a device that has the ability to be attached under a standard drone, and essentially it is a circuit, battery, and gas sensor system that can pick up the percentage of explosive gas in an air sample.
Since it's a safety thing, anything that deals with safety, saving people's lives, definitely could be something that could go on. This project in particular, since our budget is so low, our price point for this is $100. So with it being so cheap, you could have your rural fire departments pick this up for, $150, and they could be able to tell if there's an explosive gas at a fire they're at. That's where I really could see how this project could flesh out and actually become something.
We've all been working on the design aspects of the project as well. The hardest part about doing a project like this, whether it be a prototype for somebody else's design or your own design, is having the creative confidence to continue. The technical knowledge is not the hard part, because you can look up anything you need to know. The really hard part is staying committed and staying in high morale. It's really easy to get discouraged. So for anybody watching this, stay in there, you're good. You can do it.
On a PCB, I learned a lot about how there are different sections of the board dedicated to the microcontroller, power circuit, the antenna if you want to do Bluetooth communication, and then any input-output devices such as a sensor is going to have another capacitors to protect that device and make it operate in conjunction with the microcontroller. So just being part of that design process and learning how you start from nothing and work your way up and make sure everything works with one another is really interesting, and I was glad to have good teammates that we were able to walk through it together.
I'm very proud of just how the team has worked together so far and getting the board to where it is. We've had a lot of technical challenges this second semester, with the fabrication and population of the board, but we were able to push through it even though we started to get behind. We were able to get back up to speed, and through that we were able to find where we all fit best in our group. So I'm pretty proud of how we've done there.